Hi, and welcome to the Successful Farming Show Engine Man segment. I'm Ray Bohacz, and I'm here today at the Columbiana Test Facility for Firestone Ag Tires. It's a real neat complex. This is where they do all the testing and research work on Firestone farm tires. What I want to talk about today is something that's called driveline harmonics. It falls under a category of NVH, noise, vibration, and harshness. When you have a second order harmonic, that means for every revolution of the shaft, there's two vibrations. Now, what I have here over here is something that's very simple and is available in almost every hardware store. It's a magnetic angle finder gauge. And what I'm using as a demonstration prop here is a PTO shaft from my little spinner spreader from our farm. And I took, for demonstration purposes, I took a piece of metal, since this is non-magnetic, and I attached it to it with a zip tie. What I want to represent is that it's extremely important for the angle of the prop shaft, be it a drive shaft or a PTO shaft, to not be too great. On a road vehicle, you want a maximum of 3 degrees of what they would call drive shaft angle going into the pinion. So we have a maximum of 3 degrees of tilt. When the drive shaft and or PTO shaft is more than 3 degrees angle, what's going to happen is it's going to spin in an ellipse. And when it spins in an ellipse, when it goes up to the peak and to the bottom peak, it's going to input a vibration. To check this is very simple. What you would need to do is have this magnetic gauge, and you would put it, fix it to the drive shaft. As I said, I put a piece of metal on this, and then you would tilt it, and you would read the needle. If the front of the shaft that comes from the power transmission point is up, that's a positive angle. If it's down, that's a negative angle. So you'd want a maximum of 3 degrees of an angle on any type of PTO and or drive shaft. And that is why a lot of newer farm equipment and newer trucks and vehicles use what they call a constant velocity joint, because it allows more of an angle without that elliptical motion that causes second order harmonics. If I could ever help you in any way, please feel free to contact me at sfengineman@agriculture.com, not just about PTO shafts, but about anything on the farm. Have a blessed day.
Hi, I'm Dave Mowitz. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, hit subscribe right here if you haven't already, and click that little bell right here to be notified when we post a new video. And click here to see more great videos.